Welcome back to my 30-day series, SQL in 30, where I'm giving you one SQL lesson per day for 30 days. Today is day 18, so we're going over right joins and full outer joins. So this is going to be the quickest explanation of a right join you've ever seen. Right joins are basically useless because they are the opposite of a left join. So in a left join, you keep everything from the left table and only the matches from the right table. In a right join, you keep everything from the right table and only the matches from the left table. But instead of using a right join, you could just switch which table is the right and the left. So instead of switching the type of join you do, just switch the order of your tables and you'll get the same result. A full outer join will get you everything from both tables. So let's say that from the customers table, I want the customer ID and the last name. And from the appointments table, I want the appointment date. These two tables share the column customer ID, so we're going to join these two tables on the customer ID column. So now, using my handy outline, I'm going to write the code for the full outer join. It doesn't really matter which table you choose to be your right and your left because you're going to get all of the rows from both tables. Okay, so I've written the code for a full outer join using my handy little outline here, and let's run this. All right, so I get all of the rows from both of the tables. You might notice that there are two rows with customer ID number 1. They have the same last name, but different appointment dates. So that must mean that there are two customer ID 1 rows in the appointments table. Let's take a look. And we see here in the appointments table that customer ID number 1 appears twice. And since we did a full outer join, all of the rows in both tables were included. And that is why we see 2 instances of customer ID 1 in our result set. In the next video, we'll cover using joins in the group by clause, so make sure to follow so you don't miss it.